Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
HSIB once again the biggest holding among ETH whales. SHIB is once again the biggest holding among top ETH whales. Over 410 trillion SHIB have been burned from the total supply of the meme coin, which is nearly 589 trillion. What is sound like an upcoming bullish breakthrough from SHIB is the radius of the triangle apex of at 0.00000 $1,100 US. According to data provided by Whale Stats, HSIB once again has the largest holding in terms of USD among the top 100 ETH whales. Per the statistic, the top 100 ETH whales are now sitting on Shiba Inu worth $544.4 million US. This accounts for over 23% of the overall holdings. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu can be purchased for an average of $0.00010. The price of HSIB has increased by 2% during the last 24 hours, but has decreased by 7% over the course of the previous 7 days. The second most valuable meme coin in the world now has a market capitalization of more than $6.4 billion US. This comes after the SSIB burn tracker Seabird announced that a total of 140 million meme coins have been burned in the last 24 hours, which means they have been locked in wallets when they cannot be used. The intention of the burning of coins is to increase the security of HSIB, with in the end objective of driving up the price of the cryptocurrency over the long term, according to the state website that cracked SHIB burned as of now a total of 400 410,373.679.680.602 HSIB has been burned from the available supply of HSIB. The current Shiba Inu price is 0.0001098 US dollar. According to the technicals, what seems to be an impending bullish breakout is a typical retest of the triangle apex at the 0.000001100 US dollar price level. HSIB once again the biggest holding among ETH whales. HSIB is once again the biggest holding among top ETH whales, over 410 trillion HSIB have been burned from the total supply of the meme coin, which is nearby 589 trillion. What seems like an upcoming bullish breakthrough from HSIB, a retest of the triangle apex at 0.000001100 US dollar. According to the data provided by Whale Stats, HSIB once again has the largest holding in terms of USD among the top 100 ETH whales. Per the statistic, top 100 ETH whales are now sitting on Shiba Inu worth $544.4 million US dollar. This accounts for over 23% of the overall holding. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu can be purchased for an average of $0.00010 US dollar. The price of HSIB which has increased 2% during the last 24 hours but has decreased by 7% over the course of the previous 7 days. The second most valuable meme coin in the world now has a market capitalization of more than 6.4 billion US dollars. This comes after the HHI Burn Takers report announced that a total of 140 million meme coins have been burned in the last 24 hours, which means they have been locked in wallets where they cannot be used. The intention of burning coins is to increase the security of HSIB with the end objective of driving up the price of the cryptocurrency over the long term.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.